Hey guys, it's Jay over at Slow Ride Model Cars. How's everybody doing? I got my shop truck done. Just want to thank Deep Junk Garage for hosting the shop truck. And as I said, I bought this truck strictly for the wheels for another project. And I had the truck laying around, so I figured I'd use it for the shop truck. So this is the kit I had. I also want to thank everybody for their new subs. I really appreciate all the subs I have. I'll continue to try and do my best at building my models, hopefully getting better at it in my old age. With that being said, let's get going. Oh, there it is. So I went a little different route. I know everybody, a lot of people would do car stuff, and I knew that was going to be pretty common. So I figured I'd go a different route. So this guy knew somebody who knew somebody. Got this truck just before it went to an auction. One of them lease auctions, fleet auctions, I should say. See, it was number 21 truck out of the fleet. So he got to get it before it went to the auction. And it used to be a shop truck, a work truck. So now he's gonna fix it up, maybe make a shop truck for himself. Used to be the Ortho lawn and garden truck. So it's not too bad, it's pretty straight. A little rust on it, but not too bad. So we went to a swap meet, picked up a couple things, the plate for the back of the tailgate, and a push bar with a winch on it. Nice winch. So he'll put that on the truck. A little rusty, not bad. See, he's got a new tailgate on the back. Picked it up, I guess, maybe at that swap meet. Junkyard. Little rusty bumper there. Another door. Don't know what's wrong. What happened to the other door? Pushed in, rusted away, who knows. But it's coming along. A little rust around the windshield, but not too bad. Basically pretty straight. He's got the engine. I think he rebuilt the engine. He's got that down so far. Looks like just regular 350, nothing special. Power brakes. Battery looks like it's fallen into the wheel well. Maybe the mount rotted away. Beige interior. Not too bad. So he has visions for it. Other than that, full stock. I'll show you underneath. Full stock. Got some, looks like new exhaust, new duals. No headers. Looks like just stock exhaust manifolds. Whether he's going to put them on or not, don't know what his plans are yet. But underneath's pretty clean also. Dropped some parts. There's a nice new plate for the tailgate. That looks pretty good. Push bar with a power winch. Looks like it's pretty new. Well, like I said, I took the liberties a little bit, going a little off the norm, being automotive. I figured I'd go a little different. So I figured I'd find some use for this truck. So that's my my rendition of the shop truck, work truck, or future work truck. Maybe this guy's gonna turn it into his own shop truck. Or just make it a nice truck. So that's pretty straight. I don't know about the color, but I guess that looked good with the green grass on the bottom there, with the ortho. Other than that, I don't know if he put those wheels on it or they were on there. I guess the bumper, maybe the bumper got rusted out. Maybe the tailgate got rusted out, the tailgate, from some chemicals that the guy had in the back, fertilizer or whatever. All right, guys. Hope you like it. And thank you again for Deep Junk Garage for hosting this shop truck. All right. See you later. Bye.